Does Webull have instant deposit? Webull does offer an instant deposit feature, enabling users to access a portion of their transferred funds immediately for trading while the bank transfer clears. This feature is particularly advantageous for active traders who need quick access to capital, reducing the downtime associated with traditional ACH transfers. Webull's instant deposit limits typically range from $1,000 to $25,000, depending on the account type and user activity, which is competitive among similar brokerage platforms. This feature stands out because it facilitates fast-paced trading opportunities, especially in volatile markets. Instant deposits can be highly appealing to traders who want to act on real-time opportunities without waiting for standard deposit timelines. However, the service applies only to deposits initiated through ACH transfers and not through wire transfers or other methods. For first-time users or those with limited trading history on the platform, the instant deposit limit may be relatively low until trust is established. While the instant deposit function is user-friendly and efficient, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Webull does not support cash or check deposits, which could limit flexibility for some users. Additionally, in rare cases, issues with instant deposit processing might arise, leading to delays or the need for customer support intervention. Some reviews mention customer support response times as slower than expected, which could complicate resolution in urgent situations. Another potential downside is that Webull's instant deposit is not available for all account types, such as retirement accounts like IRAs. This restriction could limit its utility for certain long-term investors. Furthermore, Webull holds a mixed reputation regarding customer complaint handling, which might affect confidence in troubleshooting instant deposit-related problems. Despite these limitations, Webull's instant deposit feature remains a strong asset for active investors, providing a seamless and quick way to fund accounts and capitalize on immediate market opportunities. It is particularly well-suited for frequent traders who prioritize speed and market access. However, users should be aware of the limitations and customer service nuances before relying heavily on this feature.